In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a resume in Google Gemini. We'll walk through a straightforward process to draft or polish a resume that's clear, targeted, and optimized for applicant tracking systems. Start by opening Google Gemini in your browser. Once you're on the page, you'll see the chat box where you can type instructions. That's where you'll guide Gemini to build exactly what you need. In the message box, enter a precise prompt. Tell Gemini whether you want it to write a professional resume from scratch or improve an existing one for a specific role. Specify the job title you're targeting, share your years of experience in industry, and list the most relevant skills and achievements. The more context you provide, the better the output. Include measurable outcomes like boosting retention by a percentage or delivering a project under budget, so Gemini can showcase impact rather than tasks. When you ask Gemini to write or improve the resume, set clear formatting preferences. Request an ATS-friendly layout with clean section headings, simple fonts, and no tables or graphics. Ask for bullet points that begin with strong action verbs such as led, built, or optimized, and make sure each point emphasizes results. Also specify the length and tone, 1 page in professional or 2 pages in concise, depending on your experience. If you have a job posting, paste relevant lines and ask Gemini to mirror those keywords so your resume aligns with the role. Generate the resume and give it a moment to compile. You should receive a structured draft with a summary, experience, skills, and education, usually in reverse chronological order. Now review it carefully and customize it with your details. Replace any placeholders, confirm titles and timelines, and tighten the bullet points to focus on outcomes. Keep verb tenses consistent, use numbers to quantify achievements, and ensure the language matches the role you're pursuing. If something isn't quite right, ask Gemini for targeted revisions, like shortening the summary, making bullets more metric-driven, or shifting the tone to be more concise. As you refine, keep ATS considerations in mind. Use standard section names such as summary, experience, skills, and education. And avoid columns or decorative elements that can confuse scanners. Group skills logically, prioritize the most relevant ones, and weave the role's keywords naturally into your bullets. Check consistency in capitalization and date formats, and keep paragraphs short for readability. Finally, copy the resume into your preferred editor, verify spacing and alignment, and proofread slowly. Save tailored versions for different roles, and export in the format the employer requests. With focused prompts and careful customization, you'll have a polished, job-ready resume in minutes.